Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to the denoising technique in compositing node. So I'm using the luxcore render engine in the blender. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to denoising this render without any clicking on. You can see here this denoising button I have already deactivated. So let's start. Welcome back. So here I want to show you, this is my render and this is compositing software. So at first I want to introduce about the luxcore render engine. I don't use the cycles render engine, so in that place I am using the luxcore, this render engine, the same render engine. This is the rendering, and you can see here this render engine. To do that, previous I have render in cycles. It takes 40 minutes because this carpet has a floor, and it takes, you can see here the time 13 minutes 13 minutes, and in cycles it took around 40 to 45 minutes, the same render and the same. But in this scene I have used HDR in environment, but in the cycles I did use only sky environment instead of HDR environment. So how to before going to compose, I want to show you the render setting that I have already set the render setting for denoising. The compositing are all the same in cycles and luxcore render engine. So to denoising I have used the sample 300 sample. You can see here the sample is 300. You can see here the sample I have used 300. But in this scene you should set the samples minimum 1000 to 2000. For in the cycle render engine, the denoising compositing is same, totally same. You should activate the denoising this node. From here, denoising node button, and this albedo emission, connect to albedo, image, albedo, and average shading normal. But you can see in cycle engines only normal is written here. How to set in the luxcore render engine? At first go to this icon, render setting button, this settings button, click on here and go to at first deactivate denoise button and go to here, go to this button, viewer layer, and at first click on albedo, this one, click on albedo, this albedo button, and scroll it down, and on the geometry information, click on average shading normal. So you can see here I don't need extra 2 socket, albedo and normal. So from here albedo normal already activated, and this one I have set the sample this sample, and you can set the sample if you are use this image for video. This sample is ideal for rendering a video, but for still image this sample is not enough. I have told you that minimum sample 1000 to 2000 you should set in the sample. So now I want to show you what so if you render result, just hold on, this render is, so you can see here already render done. From compositing you can see here the 300 sample, there are lots of noise here. You can see here there are lots of noise here. So after denoising, just hold on. You can see here noise are gone, but when you see here there are lots of noise. You can see here in the analyze button there are lots of noise here. So lots of noise here if you using the blur application. So you can see here there are lots of noise here if you use to here in the blur application. So here you can see here. To do this, how to solve this problem? So at first use this node, this separate color, use this one, and separate color image connect to here. At first image connect to here, and the normal button, use the normal button here and the alberta button, and create separate color and connect to here and connect alpha to image. Against this duplicate this denoise node and set it from here. If I just hold on. So in here you can see here there is no noise here. So there is no noise here. So this is the main thing that I want to show you through this video. So after that I use background in white color. So you can see here the white color automatically connected here, and you can see here there are no noise. This is a specular, the shining specular. I want to make this render for video rendering, not for still image. So that is why I set that sample 300. So now this is so now after color correction, you can see here this color correction. So this is my color correction. You can see here just copy this hex color from here, just copy this one. So gamma, the hex, this one FFEB F1, and change the gain button from here. This is color correction. Only very little I have changed this color, very little. The color correction add. So the main focus in this video for how to denoise your render in luxcore render engine. So this is the main thing that I want to show you in this video. So thanks for watching, and if you are new in my channels, kindly subscribe and hit on bell button to get early new video. Thanks again. Save planet. See you again.